trendy right now. Hello butterflies, I hope that you are doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Anneli, and first of all, I want to acknowledge the new intro that we have in the channel. I am super happy and proud of it, and I made it myself. I've never done animation before, but I am super proud of the result, and I think that it represents this channel so good. So let me know in the comments below what you think of the new intro. And yeah, on this video I'm gonna share with you a Walmart haul. I asked you on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, go ahead and follow me. I'm gonna leave you my handle down here on the screen. And I did a poll and asked you if you would like to see a Walmart haul, and all of you said that you would. So a lot of stores are still closed all around the world, so supermarkets are like the only thing that you know that is going to be open all the time, and we can find nice, cheap and trendy clothes on the supermarket. So that's what I did, and I'm going to show them to you now. So let's get started. So first I want to say that I am a very small, skinny, petite woman, and I shopped at the girls section, but I also shopped at the boys section and the men's and obviously women's section. So I didn't discriminate. I went to all of the departments and I found something. So I encourage you to go out of the comfort zone, and maybe if you cannot fit in a girl's clothes, you can find some cool stuff in the men's section as well. So I'm gonna show you what I found on the girls' clothes. So the first thing I shopped was biker shorts, because those are so trendy right now. They are perfect for summer. They are so comfortable and you can wear them in so many different ways. So this you can find in the women's section, but on the Walmart that I went to, they didn't have any left on my size. So I went and browsed at the girls section and I found them. So I got a bunch. I got black ones, which are like, you know, your typical. You can pair them with anything, and they're so soft, stretchy, and comfortable. Then I also found these ones that are so cool because I never saw anything like this before. These are like a denim kind of print, but it's like stretchy and all the comfort of a biker short on a denim kind of fabric. So those are so cool as well. These next ones are one of my favorites. It's kind of like a very light gray, almost white. This fabric is so soft, and I think these are the ones that fit me the best. So I'm very happy with this. And then I found some shorts with a print. This might look a little bit girly, but I don't care. I love them. And the biker short, it's already like an 80s trend, but I feel like these ones make it look even more 80s. The first ones are these ones with a bunch of little fruits and like neon pastel colors, and I think they're so cute. And the next one is this one is green with white flowers with a neon pink center. They are so cute as well. All of these are from the girls section, as I told you before, so don't be afraid to browse over there. The only ones I found on the women's section were these ones. So these are from the women's section, and they're so cute. This fabric is so soft, and I love all the neon colors that are so trendy for this summer season. So yeah, those are all of my biker shorts that I found at Walmart. Since we are at the girls department, I'm going to show you the other two things that I found there. The first ones are these shorts. These are so cute. These are like paperback shorts, they're called. They have elastic at the top, and they have this like little ruffle, and they high-waisted, and they're so cute. They're supposed to be like loose, although these are a little bit too loose on me. These are a size 16. I was looking for a size 14, but they didn't have it. I'm hoping that this will shrink when I wash them, but they are so cute and perfect for the summer. And the last thing I found at the girls department was this very cute pair of baby pink jeans. These are so comfortable. They stretch so much, They're skinny jeans. They are size 14. I had bought like the size 16, but it was big, so I exchanged them for a smaller one. I cannot believe I can fit on a size 14 jeans. Can you believe it? But I do. But these are so cute, and they have so many different colors, and you cannot find this kind of thing on the women's section. Why are we so boring? So I love this one. Okay, so moving on to the women's department. The first thing I bought was this very cute top. And this is a crop top. It's white, it's super basic, and it goes with absolutely everything. You can put things on top of it, like a jacket or a shirt, like a button-up shirt, or you can wear it on its own. It's got this very cool fabric that is like super stretchy, and it's perfect for the summer. So that's my first piece from the women's department. The next thing I found was this very cute black blouse or top that is like kind of like a net translucent fabric, but it comes with the little liner shirt inside of it, and I thought it was so cute, so fresh. It's black with little flowers, and yeah, pretty basic, but you know, different at the same time. The next top I found, which is probably one of my favorite ones, was this one. It looks so sweet and like a romantic. It's like a beige color, and it has like a baby pink and like salmon little flowers. And this one has the same kind of stretchy thing here on the back, so it's very fitted on the waist. And it looks so flattering, but so sweet and super fresh for the summer. I didn't have any kind of like clothes with this like pastel sweet colors, so that's the thing that drew me to it, and I'm in love. The next item I found was this romper that is this blue printed fabric. The fabric is so soft and it's stretchy. These are like wide-legged, but they're like mid-leg, you know, they're not all the way down. And one of the things I liked about it was the back. It has like this lace thing on the back, and it's got straps. This is very cute, but I don't know if it's flattering for me. I don't know. I'm not 100% convinced I'm gonna keep it. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? If you think it looks good, or if you think I should return it instead. So I really liked it on the hanger, but once I put it on, I'm not so sure. So let me know what you think. So the next two pieces I found at the women's section are these two super neon tops. The first one is this pink neon top, which has this like little I don't know, like a gathered kind of fabric texture, but it's not really gathered. And it's so cute, and it's kind of fitted, but at the same time it's like loose, you know, it's not super tight. It's like perfect, and it's gonna go along super well with a bunch of those biker shorts I showed you before. And the next one is this little orange one that has like a high neck and is sleeveless. And I feel like this color makes you look tan. Look at it. It makes me look more tan. So it's perfect for the summer. It's so soft, and it's gonna look so cute, like tucked under like those like paperback shorts, for instance. Like I already have a bunch of outfits planned with this top, so I'm very happy with them. Okay, so the next thing I did was browse on the men's section. I'm always stealing my husband's shirts, because sometimes I like an oversized shirt that I can tie, or I can tuck it under my bra and make it like a loose crop, or tuck it under some jeans. So I went to the men's section and I found some cool t-shirts. The first one is this white one. It says Bliss, and it has this like rainbow thing going down. These are size small, but obviously they have all the sizes on the men's section. But this one fit perfectly. They're like the right amount of loose. The only thing I did was like roll up the sleeves so they don't look so big on me. But these are so cute, and you can tuck them under like your jeans or shorts. You can cut them and make it crop tops, or you can use them just like that with some biker shorts. They look so cool. And the second one that I like the most, this is my favorite. You know how tie-dye is so trendy right now. So this is a tie-dye kind of black grayish top with this like astronaut print on the front, and I love it. I don't know why, but I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. So I got this one. I already wore it a bunch of times with like the black biker shorts. It looks so cool, so comfortable, so fresh for the summer. So yeah, it's a trend. I love it. And the last thing I bought was a pair of jeans on the boys section. I was actually looking for a pair of jeans on the men's section because I wanted to make like my own boyfriend jeans with an actual male pair of jeans, but the male pairs of jeans were too big for me, so I went to the boys section. I bought this jeans. These are actually big on me. I'm gonna have to exchange them. These are size 16. I'm gonna have to change them for a 14, but they're so cute. They're actually stretch, which is perfect. They're high-waisted and they're like a straight cut. So what I plan on doing is like rip them, you know, make like holes and rips and stuff, and then fold the little ends up and make my own boyfriend jeans. So if you want me to share a tutorial on how to make your own boyfriend jeans, let me know down below and I can record the process for you. And yeah, those are all the things I found at Walmart. There are plenty more that I'm sure you can find, and if you go online they have even more options. So don't hesitate to look and go out of your comfort zone and explore other departments like I did. So I really hope that this haul was helpful and that you liked it. Let me know down below, what do you think of all these clothes that I found? Which ones do you think I should keep? Which ones should I return? And yes, thank you so much for watching my video. If you don't follow me on my social media, make sure to do so. All my links are down below as well. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe, become part of this beautiful growing family so you don't miss any of the future videos of this channel. As always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye!